channel. My name is David Samuji. Yes, it's been a while. It's over a week since I last uploaded on my channel. Yes, I've been busy with other things. Apart from being busy, I was ill, so recovering and better now. Okay, so I introduced to you this indicator which was created by my friend Ryan, and he decided to give it the name Ryan Reed. Okay, yes, that was the name he decided to give the indicator, so that's what the indicator will be called from now on. Yes, and I've been testing it on binary, and I must tell you it has been giving me a good win rate, and I just wanted to show you some trade taking with the indicator, and I'll keep testing, and when the indicator is available for the public, I will let you know. It's based on Ryan instruction. Okay, going to determine that if he wants to keep it private or if he wants to share it with you guys with a little fee. If you're interested, and if you want to get it with little fee, just let me know in the comment how much you think this indicator should cost. It's his idea, it's his plan, we are just following suit. All right, so I'm gonna show you the indicator, and I'm gonna show you the trade taken based on the 1 minute chart. All right, based on the 1 minute chart, and 50-minute expiring based on the arrows. Okay, so we're gonna go through the pairs I have here. To my left, there are about 10. I'm gonna go through exception to US30 and gold and USD maxi. So those are not forex pairs, so we're just gonna look at forex pairs and look at the trade with 50 minutes. So let's start that. As you can see, this is the first trade here. We got a buy just here. We take that buy, would have won for 50 minutes. This we would, or we should have won this if we took it here, but I'll just count as a loss because this is binary. You have to be fast. Okay, you just have to be fast. All right, so for 50 minutes, if you count that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so 15, this is where it was. So you, depending on how fast you enter, you would have won that and you would have lost that, but then we won this. So that's 2-1 on that AUD USD pair. Okay, you can stick to one pair. That's what I always advise on binary. Stick to a single pair, don't trade multiple pairs. As you can see, we had 2-1 here again. We won this, lost this, and currently winning on this trade. Okay, so you can see most times they are winners, but I'll always advise you stick to a single pair. Okay, this was a winner too, as you can see, for 15 minutes. It was a winner again here for 15 minutes. So you can see how good this indicator has been. This is a trade that just happened now, so just watch out for the pair UJ. Watch out, and let's see if it's gonna win after 50 minutes. Okay, this is another trade here. We won this, and we had 2 here. We lost 1 and won 1. We won this. So you can see how good this indicator has been on binary so far. It has been really good based on 50 minutes expiring. All right, so for this we won, this we lost, this I think we lost also. Let's count that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Yes, we lost this for 50 minutes. Okay, so you can see you won't win all, but I'm sure this is about a give or take. This should be a 75 to 80% win rate, give or take. As for me, I don't like the Great Britain pounds pair, so I will not even take that for binary. I don't like those pairs at all when it comes to binary. You can see they're always chubby. I never enjoy taking binary trade with them at all. So, but they are winners, most of them are winners, but I don't advise you at all. Just stick to non-JPP pairs and you're good to go. Right, so that's just it for today. I'm going to show you what tomorrow's trade is, and we'll see how we can go on from there. Like I said, I'm not going to show you any pair that is not forex pair, so we're still testing. We'll still see the way it goes and move on from there, testing it. I hope you're happy to be seeing this, and it should be out soon. I think it should be out soon for you guys. It's going to be relatively inexpensive, so it's something you'll be able to afford for yourself. So if this is something you're interested in, let me know what you think the price should be. What do you think a reasonable price should be for this indicator going forward when it's finally released, and I will relay your comments to Ryan and see what he can do about it. If you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Make sure you watch my other videos. I'll be back sometime again this week. Please stay blessed, stay safe. I love you all.